If you've ever pulled an all-nighter wrestling with SSL TLS certificates, only to miss a renewal deadline and take down production, yeah, we've been there too. Manual certificate management is a minefield. Expired certs causing outages, misconfigured headers leaving XSS vulnerabilities wide open, and fragmented tools that make compliance audits feel like herding cats. Our SSL TLS Security Pack fixes this with automated certificate lifecycle management using Let's Encrypt and Vault, policy as code HTTPS enforcement across Kubernetes and Terraform environments, OWASP top 10 compliant security headers templates, and AI-powered config validation that catches typos in your Nginx files before they hit staging. For security engineers, DevOps leads, and compliance officers drowning in runbooks, this isn't just a tool, it's your new fire extinguisher. Because, let's face it, your coffee addiction is already covering the midnight server meltdowns. Here's what's inside the SSL TLS Security Pack. Certificate auto-renewal workflows with Acme protocol integration. Multi-environment HTTPS policies using Open Policy Agent for Istio and AWS ALB. Security headers configuration with HSTS, CSP, and X content type options baked into CI/CD pipelines. AI-driven config validation that cross-checks your OpenSSL versions against NIST advisories. OWASP ZAP-compatible security header templates for React and Django apps. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation. It's your infrastructure whispering, "I got this," while you sleep. Installing the SSL TLS Security Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add ssl-tls-security-pack. That's it. You get the full certificate lifecycle workflow, auto-renewal scripts, policy as code templates, and security header validation tools, all synced to your Claude Code workspace. Your next AI assistant session will auto-detect the pack and start flagging insecure TLS versions in your PRs. No PhD in cryptography required, just paste the command and watch your security debt melt away. It works better than that set it and forget it crock pot promise. We actually mean it.